Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a home decor haul. I'm so excited, y'all. So if you haven't watched my chit chat, get ready with me. I talk about how I've moved into my own apartment, so that means I can furnish it the way I want. I put whatever in here that I want. And excuse if I sound a bit stuffy. My sinuses are just acting a bit up, but we're gonna push through, sis, and we're gonna be good. I went shopping for my apartment yesterday, and I found almost everything that I need. And I also put up a poll on my Instagram at NoneMajor to see if you guys wanted to see a home decorating haul. So you guys voted yes, so therefore, here it is. I went to Burlington, I went to, where did I go? And then I also went to a few Ross stores. So I'm gonna show y'all everything that I got. So starting off with Burlington, I found pretty much a lot of the things that I needed. And I also found the basis of how I wanted to decorate my apartment. So y'all know that I just purchased a couch. So I wanted to wait until I got the couch in order to furnish around it. I didn't want to go crazy and pick up things that I really didn't need once the couch came in to be like, oh, this doesn't match, this doesn't match. So I just waited for the couch. Now that it's here, your girl spent a little coin. But the thing about it is that I spent good money on the things at an affordable and reasonable price, and I'll tell you guys the prices and everything. So let's get started. So I went to Burlington Coat Factory. And I picked up these pillows. They're really cute. They're like this gold, silver, cream color, and black. Sorry, I already snagged the pillow, but it came in a set of 2, and these were $16.99. Super cute. And I'll show you the reason why I purchased these pillows. And then to tie in with the picture that I'm about to show y'all in a second, I bought this black velvety kind of throw. It's pretty soft. This was $8.99 and it's a decent size, so I got that for the couch. And then the picture that I purchased to put up above the couch is this big old thing. Let me get it, give me a second. Whoa. So I got this big old picture. I know. To put above my couch. I think it's super pretty. It has flecks of gold, as you can see, gray, white, silver colors. I got this at Burlington Coat Factory for $40, so it was a decent price, and it's pretty big. I've already measured the wall, so this is gonna fit perfectly up above my couch. And I also apologize if you can see some boxes over there. Those are the boxes for my couch that I need to throw out, but they're kind of heavy, so I'm gonna just have to wait until my man will take them out. Okay, moving on. I also got these 2 vases, whatever you want to call them, vases, at Burlington Coat Factory. They're super pretty. They're like obviously gold and white. I bought these to put, whenever I do get one, on my TV stand. So these are just gonna be decor pieces. This big one was $9.99, and then this one was $7.99. So together they're about like $18. Next, I went to a couple of Ross stores. So I was looking for bar stools along with like a coffee table maybe. I was gonna pick this one, but that one's really low, and this one's even lower. And these are like bar stools, $50 each. So I picked up these bar stools here. Ooh, can y'all see? And that's my TV sitting on the floor. Like I told y'all, I don't got no TV stand. It's like this champagne cream color with gold hardware. Obviously, I'm not really sure if this is real wood. I think it might be. Really doesn't matter. And I purchased 2 of them. The other one is back there, right? These fit perfectly. As you can see, this is where they're going to be placed. One right here and then one right here. I've already set them up. So they look really good, and that's just that on that. These bar stools were $49.99 a piece. So $100 for 2 bar stools, which is a decent price. Most bar stools are like $100 plus each, or like $80 each or something like that. Pretty unreasonable, but I like these. They're gonna do the trick for now. If you go to a few different Ross stores, you might be able to find this color or a darker brown color or a lighter gray, like not a gray, but it wasn't cute. It wasn't cuter than this. Also, from Ross, I picked up these cute little coffee tables.
Nothing else. Alright, then I see this one. It's cute.
It has this marble printing. Oh, the lighting's a bit bad. You can't really tell. Can you tell? It's gold, obviously, with gold legs. This was $24.99. I picked this up at the Ross that I went to when I got these bar stools. And I was just gonna use this alone, but then I went to another Ross and they had another set which looks exactly the same, but this one has a slanted leg. This was also $24.99, but this one has a slanted leg, like I said, and it just slides right up underneath this table.
There's one in another Ross, and I see another piece to the table. It's supposed to be like this because it has a sling. And it's $25 as well. It's a big table.
So this is the slanted table, and then this is the regular table. You could just slide it under there, pretty much, and it's like a table. I know it doesn't look that cute right now, but when I put everything together, it'll look just fine. And then also from Ross, I got that rug back there. I will give you guys a close-up and personal shot of the texture and the color. It's this dark gray with spots of black in it. It's just mixed with like light gray, dark gray, and black. Freaking love it. That was $70, which is actually really good for a rug. Normally rugs cost about like $100 plus. I wasn't trying to spend that much money on a rug, so found the perfect one. I think that's gonna go well with this apartment or this living room space. And then lastly, I purchased this, I don't even know what to call it. Is it like an ottoman, kind of like a puff? But I bought this at Target on sale a few months ago. It's tufted and it was on sale for $34.99, which at first I was like, do I want to spend $35 on this? But when you think about it, these are normally like $60 plus, $60, $100, $200, and it's a really big size, kind of. But it's really cute, super nice. This blue suede color, I think it adds a nice touch of color to a living space. I probably won't keep this in the living room. I'm going to put it in the nook area of my apartment. I don't know, I could do an apartment tour if I ever get that part of my apartment like decorated or organized. And then lastly, I also forgot. Another item that I purchased from Burlington Coat Factory was this mirror. Y'all are gonna see everything, but
so I've been looking for a circle mirror for forever. This one is only $30. I was gonna go to Target and get a gold one, but this one is black. I could spray paint this if I really wanted to, which I'm probably not, too lazy to do. There's no scratchers. Like, if you need some home decor stuff, y'all, please don't sleep on Burlington because you will get your whole life. Like, I didn't even expect this.
You guys, look at this freaking mirror. What? Super freaking, look at this mirror. Normally, these circle mirrors can cost anywhere from $50 to $200. Like, sis wasn't paying that much. When you run across something that you've been looking for at a decent price, it's like, why wouldn't I buy it? Also, from Burlington Coat Factory, I purchased this metallic yarn grommet window panels, 2 pieces. They're about 84 inches long. I want them to kind of drape onto the floor. I'm really not sure if they're going to be long enough because when I measured it, it was about like 83 inches. So I don't think these will be long enough. I might have to return them. This was $12.99 from Burlington Coat Factory. To be honest, I wish it was like $8, $7. Is it just me, or like when you're shopping, when you're out and stuff like that, regardless if you're buying clothes or stuff for your home, things like that, like you price it and then you look at the price, and if it's not what you priced it at, you don't get it? That's me. Because if I'm looking at a top and it's like, that looks like that could cost about $10, and I turn it around and they got it on sale for like $20, I'm not buying it, sis. So I picked this up anyways because I really liked it. All right, y'all, that is it for my home decor pieces. I will be shopping a little bit more just to see what else is out there. But for now, I'm set on these. I'm thinking about going back to Burlington Coat Factory and getting me like a white textured pillow just to go onto my couch. When I do get a TV stand, I'll also show that to y'all as well. If I don't, then it'll just be a part of the apartment tour, if I ever do an apartment tour. I hope you all enjoyed this home decor video. Let me know if you like these type of videos, or if you want to see an apartment tour. I could possibly do that. When? I don't know, because I don't know when I'll be done furnishing this apartment. If you have any questions, or if there's anything that I left out that y'all want to know more about, let me know. But all in all, the moral of the story is check out your Ross, check out your Burlington Coat Factory. Target's expensive, you know, sometimes we go in there, but not often. But, you know, we keep it to people who can, you know, afford it. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, y'all.